Hey glow-getters! Welcome back to the channel where we share the beauty secrets of your favorite celebrities. Today, we're diving into the glamorous glow of none other than Jennifer Lopez, the queen of the bronzed look. J.Lo has long been admired for her radiant skin, and she's perfected that warm, sun-kissed glow all year round. So, how does she do it? First up, self-tanning products play a huge role in J.Lo's routine. Jennifer is known to use high-quality self-tanners to achieve her signature bronzed glow. This allows her to control the depth and tone of her tan without damaging her skin under the sun. Brands like Saint Tropez and Vita Liberata are some celebrity favorites, and they give a natural, long-lasting tan. J.Lo is all about even coverage, so she applies her self-tanner with a tanning mitt to ensure a flawless finish. Next, hydration is key for Jennifer. She moisturizes religiously, keeping her skin smooth and supple. A great moisturizer not only helps prolong her tan, but also enhances its radiance. After applying self-tanner, Jennifer locks in the glow with rich body creams that keep her skin hydrated and glowing from the inside out. Sun protection is a must for J.Lo. Even though she loves a bronzed look, Jennifer is very cautious about sun exposure. She uses sunscreen with high SPF daily to protect her skin from harmful UV rays, which not only prevents sunburn, but also keeps her skin youthful. For J.Lo, it's all about achieving a safe tan without risking premature aging or skin damage. Another trick up J.Lo's sleeve is bronzing makeup. When she's on the go or needs a quick glow-up before an event, she uses bronzing powders and creams to enhance her natural tan. Brands like Scott Barnes, her longtime makeup artist, are known to help her get that radiant, glowing finish. She often applies bronzer to her cheekbones, collarbones, and shoulders to give her skin an extra pop of sun-kissed warmth. Finally, her glow is part of an overall healthy lifestyle. Jennifer follows a strict diet filled with nutritious foods and plenty of water, which keeps her skin glowing from within. She also prioritizes regular exercise to keep her skin healthy and her body toned, further enhancing her beautiful tan. So, if you want to achieve a J.Lo level glow, follow these tips. Invest in quality self-tanners, moisturize daily, protect your skin from the sun, and don't forget to add a touch of bronzer for that final radiant touch. Thanks for watching, glow-getters. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more celebrity beauty tips. See you next time.